Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. What is it? 4 girls finger paint?
Yeah.
Misty's reaction. I think we're becoming a little bit desensitized to it. Oh, maybe not.
I am.
If you're getting like this, I am definitely throwing up on the keyboard. Good thing you went
Oh my god.
Stop. Take a breath.
It's over and I'm so gagging. I don't know if you can watch that. Good luck. You're gonna have